my. So I'm super stoked because today we're gonna load up anti-lag on the M240i, and I've never actually experienced anti-lag on the B58, let alone done it myself. So we're gonna load that up. It is like 1,000 degrees outside, so we're gonna see how much that actually affects it, because I know there will be a little bit of heat soak, but it shouldn't affect it too bad. I am running the 91 octane tune as well, so it's a little bit on the conservative side because the octane around here hasn't been the best. I've been getting some timing corrections. I did change out the spark plugs and it did help a little bit, added some E85. But real quick, I just want to say, like, thank you guys. It's a small milestone, but I was able to hit 500 subs, which is pretty sick because I never thought I'd be able to. But yeah, let's get to it. So we're just letting the car warm up while we cruise out to Mexico, and then we'll test it out. Alright, so not gonna lie, I actually don't really know how to do it, but we're about to find out. I think you just press set. Wait, never mind. Alright, so that didn't work. Let's try res. Oh my. Holy sh. Okay, that was insane. Bro, I'm shaking. That gave me the chills. That was insane. Wow. That's crazy. That's only 12 pounds too. The highest you can set it is 16, but I'm pretty sure that's the fastest way to get your turbos to leave the chat. So, wow, that sounded insane too. I wasn't expecting it to pull that hard, especially with this heat. It's like 90 degrees outside. That was a second gear pull at like, I think it was at like 3,500 RPM, 4,000 RPM. And that was the first time I've ever done anti-lag. So that was like my legit reaction. That blew my mind. That's addicting. I can see why people want to do that all the time, but obviously it's not like the best idea. It's not very good on your turbos, but that's why I kind of did 12 pounds. I know a lot of people do run 16, but I'm not trying to push it at 16. So I don't really want to abuse it too much, but I mean, it's definitely, I don't know. I definitely recommend everyone try that at least once. All right, we're gonna try that one more time and then we're done. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is insane. Holy crap. Dude, I just want to do that all day. That's like next level. I've never felt my car pull so hard. Even on the E40, like the E40 rips, but that power is like instant. Like the E40 just keeps going. The E40 tune, it just keeps going. Like the power feels like it never ends, and it does throw you back hard. But like that anti-lag, I can't imagine anti-lag on the E40 tune. Because again, I'm just running 91 octane. I mean, this is pretty much my daily tune. I'm gonna have to do that on E40 for you guys, especially just to experience it. Like that's insane. So for those of you that are wondering if anti-lag is better than brake boosting, I can tell you 100% is. Like, it makes brake boosting look like nothing. Like, brake boosting helps on, especially on a roll, but like rolling anti-lag is like next level. That honestly exceeded my expectations. Like, videos do not do it justice, because I did watch a few videos of people doing it, and it does not do that justice at all. I mean, I'm not telling you to try it, but you should definitely try it. That literally exceeded my expectations. Like, the videos do not do it justice on how fast it felt. I knew rolling anti-lag pulls pretty hard, but I didn't expect it to pull that hard, especially on 91 octane. I'm gonna have to try this on the E40 tune, because I can't even imagine how hard that's gonna pull. I just want to remind you guys, rolling anti-lag is not good for your car, especially your turbo. I wouldn't say it's necessarily gonna blow your engine or your turbo the first time you ever try it, but if you abuse it, you definitely will run into issues with your turbo. I know a few people's turbos that have gone out because of it. And yes, most of those guys put it on 16 pounds and do it like 20 times. I don't know, just use it cautiously if you do. Like, I did it twice, and I might do it 1 or 2 more times on my E40 tune when I load that up. But other than that, I'm probably not gonna do it more than that, because I'm not at the point where I want to upgrade my turbo yet. Maybe when I'm ready to upgrade my turbo, I'll go ham with it, because I don't care if my turbo goes out, and then I can just upgrade it. That's all I have for today, but I just want to say thanks again to all of you guys that are watching and supporting the channel. And I just want to let you guys know, I know a lot of you guys have questions, and there are some of you that ask questions in the comments, but for those of you that have questions, don't ask. Feel free to contact me on Instagram, or honestly just comment. I'm always happy to answer any questions. I love helping you guys out, you know, spreading my knowledge. There may be some things I can't answer, and I'll tell you that, but I'm always happy to help out in any way I can. So again, thanks again, and as always, like and subscribe.